Hey guys, you got 3 minutes that could possibly change your draping life? Well, stay tuned because I'm going to be sharing with you some amazing tips that can transform your draping game in no time. Check them out. Beyond. But guys, this is like when we use this little Amazon backdrop thing. I use the same thing for, like, if I see a shower curtain and it looked like, I'm like, oh, that's pretty. Because my last class, we use shower curtains. I use anything that looks inspirational to me. And only thing I do, like we did with this one, you know your swags, if you got one in the middle, you know your swags is going to come low, right? You know you're only going to see the bottom. So if you see a shower curtain, use it. Especially if y'all doing kids parties. Like if I got a themed kids parties, I'm always going to go find a shower curtain and just incorporate the shower curtain into the design. Hey guys, are you enjoying the tips that I'm sharing with you thus far? Well, guess what? I have so many other tutorials that's right here on YouTube on the inside of my membership program. All you have to do is click the button below that says join and get instant access to dozens of tutorials that you can watch from the comfort of your own home. Hope to see you guys on the inside.